It's a beautiful day outside and we're getting ready to head out to the pool, so I grabbed this Motorola speaker we're going to take out with us and we're going to see how it sounds.
The Motorola ROKR 810 wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's based. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, you'll find the wireless speaker, a corded microphone with a 1/4-inch jack, an auxiliary cord, micro USB charging cable, and of course, the user's manual. The Motorola ROKR 810 is a robust Bluetooth-connected 40-watt speaker with an integrated dual-subwoofer that looks and feels like a lunchbox-sized boombox, thanks to its convenient carry handle. Apart from the standard speaker controls, you can switch from 4 different play modes, including Bluetooth, FM radio, USB, and auxiliary. There's also a whole range of selectable EQ presets, including, of course, bass boost for dance music. On the back of the speaker, you'll find a USB-A input, a micro USB port for charging, an auxiliary input, and 2 1/4-inch mic or instrument jacks. A full charge via the supplied cable gives around 20 hours of playtime at half volume. There's also integrated LED lights, just in case you need a little help getting the party started. So what do we like about the Motorola ROKR 810 wireless Bluetooth speaker? The sound coming out at full volume is definitely loud. And if you're standing within a 20-foot radius, you're probably going to feel the bass in your chest. As for sound quality, we'll get to that in a second. The speaker also has an IPX4 water resistance rating, so it makes a handy outdoor or poolside speaker. And the additional 1/4-inch inputs means that you can plug in 2 mics or a guitar and a mic and use it as a mini PA system. So, what don't we like? At low volumes, the speaker produces a crisp, clear sound. But when you start to pump up the volume, that's when the distortion starts to kick in. Secondly, when you're getting close to the end of your battery charge, an annoying warning will repeat every 30 seconds, basically ruining whatever music you're listening to. And finally, I'm not a big fan of every time you turn the speaker on, you're greeted with, "Hello, Moto." But enough from me. Let's talk to Matt and find out what he really thinks.
I really like the size and the weight of this speaker. I think it's perfect, actually. The size gives it that nice, deep, rich bass that can fill a backyard. And the weight, it's perfect with this handle for carrying it around. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. Overall, great speaker for the outdoors, backyard, just taking with you to the park. This handle is the game changer on it. Perfect.
Thank you, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Motorola ROKR 810 wireless Bluetooth speaker? This speaker really bumps. Takes us back to the days of the boombox. Now, this isn't a portable speaker for everyone. Certainly won't please the audiophiles, but there will be some out there that'll love it. And the ability to plug in a mic or guitar gives this speaker usability that most portable speakers can't match. We're giving it a 7 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we're going to give you a couple options. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $159.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.